recently spoke to Captain Hartley and Captain Davis from CASCOM headquarters at Fort Lee to discuss their roles in the upcoming CASCOM STEM Tour.
Captain Davis and I are the officers in charge of the Joint USAREC CASCOM STEM Tour recruiting. We're going out to different schools in the area. 4 different organizations will be hosting us and the local recruiters. And we'll be talking about job opportunities the United States military is providing to these young students, these young adults who are interested and have shown a proclivity for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So we're bringing in about 14 soldiers from Fort Lee, and they're going to bring equipment from the various departments from the Ordnance School, the Quartermaster School, and the Transportation School. So in addition to the tactical vehicles that we'll have out there, we'll have an FMTV and we'll have a palletized load system as well. We're bringing the technology that helps enable the soldiers to be able to meet the threats that the next generation of foes might pose. And so we're bringing, for instance, a 3D printer to show how the Ordnance School and the Allied Trades Department manufactures parts using their computer automated drafting equipment, and then are able to then turn that printed part into an actual metallic part to be able to repair vehicles and equipment out in the forward edge of the battlefield. Bringing out a Humvee that's equipped with the Joint Capabilities Release, which is the Army's most recent way of tracking friendly forces on the battlefield. And we have 2 EOD technicians here, so we're bringing out EOD robots to be able to show how those robots are able to dispose of explosive ordnances on the battlefield so that our service members don't have to put themselves in harm's way. Our 92 Lima are field lab technicians. Obviously, they have a lot of science behind that to make sure that the petroleum that we're using in our vehicles is of the highest standards. The 92 Whiskies are water purification specialists. They obviously take non-potable water and they run it through a series of systems. They have 4 or 5 different water purification systems they use to be able to provide drinking water to U.S. forces. And the Army we are the dominant land force in the world, and so a lot of times people think of the Army and they think of just the infantry soldier, and the Army is so much more than that. And as we look to meet the next generation of threats that our foreign adversaries may pose, we may not necessarily have a numerical advantage. Some armies are much, much larger than ours in terms of personnel, and technology is what allows us to close that gap.
I think it's important so that the student actually knows what that MOS does, and there's no other better way to talk to that subject matter expert that works in